4 best businesses you can start with no money. Content creator. Whether you call it an influencer, content creator, or social media nerd, building a business around content can earn you, on average, $80K per year. Now, like any business, that doesn't happen overnight. You'll need to create consistent and engaging content that builds an audience you can leverage for dollars. A niche can be anything from baking to archery. As long as a community of fans is out there, you can generate valuable content. Once you've built up a large enough audience, here's how to turn it into a profitable business. Sell merchandise, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, sponsored posts, TikTok creator fund, start a Patreon for exclusive content. Podcasting. Podcasting relies primarily on connections, not capital. All you need to create a top-notch podcast is high-quality content. Depending on your format, you'll need to land influencer interviews or provide your own expertise. You can use a podcast to make money through various means. Podcast subscriptions require listeners to subscribe to your podcasts to listen to episodes. Donations ask your audience to contribute to keep the show alive. Sponsorships find local or big-name sponsors to pay for shoutouts and advertising on your podcast channel. Affiliate marketing. Sell other companies' products on your podcast and earn a commission when listeners make a purchase. E-commerce. Sell your own physical goods, courses, ebooks, or brand merchandise. As far as expenses go, you'll want a decent microphone and basic recording software. Eventually, you'll want to invest in a nice setup, but you can get by in the early days with your laptop microphone and free audio editing software like Audacity or AudioTool. You'll also need to invest in podcasting hosting services. A subscription to a platform like Buzzsprout or Captivate will only cost you about $10 to $20 per month, but it's an expense you'll want to budget for. Freelancing and consulting. All you need to start freelancing or consulting is a marketable skill, a computer, and an internet connection. Freelancing and consulting share a lot in common. Consulting is similar to freelancing, except that instead of creating deliverables, you'll be selling your advice and expertise. There's a market for virtual assistants, writers, programmers, designers, photographers, recruiters, and more. If you've built a solid career and portfolio in any of these fields, then there's a good chance clients will be willing to pay for your work. Blogging. Blogging often gets hyped up as a way to go from nothing to six-figure income in months. While there's real earning potential behind this profession, approach it with a bit more realism, optimism too, but realism first. It doesn't take much to start blogging. Instead of building an audience on third-party sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Medium, or Tumblr, invest in your own property.